Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another haul from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm about to get right into it. If you guys don't know, I'm Jazz, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you guys, so you'll be notified when I make some more videos. But for now, let's get right into it. Okay, so I got like a couple different things in here, you guys, from like, well, I got like different items in here. So I've ordered this so long ago, I don't even remember what I got. But okay, so the first thing I got was this hat, and it's mainly going to be like a wintertime hat, but it looks like it's smushed, y'all. Oh yes, it's red on the inside. It's a little smush, but I mean, I guess I can kind of flatten it out a little bit. But we're gonna see how this looks. Let me snatch this tag off of here because we don't want that in the front. But ooh, yes, I would definitely have to have like some different, I feel like a different hair color, because I feel like I'm dead, y'all. Like I look super duper white. Like I really look like Michael Jackson with this on. But I love it, yes. Especially if I had some red bottoms, but I ain't got red bottom money. But yeah, super cute. I love it. I'm digging it. Okay, so I'm quite sure I'm probably gonna get a lot of makeup around that thing. I got another hat, y'all, and this hat, I don't even remember what this hat looked like, y'all. So yeah, it's another black hat, but it has a belt. Okay, I remember this. And then this first hat was called the Black with Black Ribbon Fedora. And this hat is called the Black Western Buckle Trim Fedora hat. And it's smushed, as you can see. But it's super cute. And the buckle goes around, yes. But I felt like the buckle would have been a little bit tighter on here, but I guess it'll stay. I guess it won't come off. But this tag is on the inside, so I can just put it on with the tag still on there. But it's cute. It's got the buckle on the side. But more of a winter like hat. I would definitely wear this in the winter. But I love it. It's cute. It's the buckle on the side. But yeah, it's super cute. Okay. Yeah, that's not cool, because that's gonna be coming off all the time. So yeah, maybe I'm gonna have to try to figure out, like, I don't know, maybe if I can glue it on there or something like that. But oh, okay. And so guys, I didn't really know that Pretty Little Thing sold makeup products. So this are some beauty sponges from Jeffree Star, as you can see. And they just have 3 little sponges in here. The box is a little tore up, but I mean, that's fine. So that's that. And then also, what was with me and the hats? I don't even understand. What was I? What? Clearly I wanted all the hats on Pretty Little Thing, I guess. But yeah, I'm done with the hats. But okay, this is another hat. And this just has, I'm not liking the fact that these aren't attached onto the hats. Like, they could have did better with that. But it's cute, but they need to start attaching these belts or whatever on these hats. But yeah, it's okay. It's cute. It's not really something that I like. Like, unless maybe I wear it like this, then yeah, that looks a little bit better. But I'm not really feeling this hat too much. But it's cute. It's cute, y'all. It's cute. Okay. So the next thing is also some makeup. And this is actually some of the Morphe sticks. They're contour sticks. So I think I just got some colors. I'm not really sure which color is going to look the best. But yeah, it's stick effect 13 and it's a contour stick, you guys. Yeah, I think I got more than one of these. I think I actually got 2 of these. So I'll do another video later just to see how these contour sticks look. But they made sure they really packaged them good, because I mean they got them wrapped up like crazy. Like, I don't think nobody gonna get into these little sticks. Dang. But yeah, I got 2 sticks, one in effect 16 and one in effect 13. So one is a lighter brown and the other one is a darker brown. So I don't really know which one is going to go best with my skin tone, but we'll see. So I pulled out this first contour stick, and it's in the color, what was this, effect 13. And I did a little swipe just to see if you could see it, but you definitely can see this. I'm just gonna try to, I already had a little bit of contour on, but yeah. Ooh. It's definitely, you definitely can see this. Like, it ain't no, yeah. It's cute or whatever. Definitely have to blend it out, but y'all, I'm not gonna do all that right now. I'm just showing y'all what it looked like. So that's effect 13. Let me show you guys what the other one looks like. I'm gonna do it on the other side. I just have it on a little bit already, but I'm quite sure we'll be able to see exactly how it looks, how dark it is. Yeah, because it's real dark. I know y'all really gonna be able to see this. Ooh wee, child. Ooh. But is it blendable is the thing. Yeah, that's gonna really be hard to try to like blend out, but it works. Yeah, it works. That would be cute too. But I got this bodysuit, and it is a leather, ooh, like a FAUX. Yeah, kind of stank. It's a FAUX black leather V-wire bodysuit, and the size 8, well, it's saying 8 on here, but it's a US 4. So I'm gonna try this on and let you guys see how this looks. Okay, so this is the bodysuit, y'all, and I most definitely, like, this is super tight. Like, I mean super duper tight. But I would definitely have to have somebody help zip me up. Look, y'all. Yeah, I couldn't zip that up by myself. Like, no, it wasn't working. But it's cute, but it is like super, super tight, y'all. Like, I feel like, yeah. And this is not giving me enough, but it's cute. So, it would really be cute with like one of these hats, you know? Like, yes. It will definitely be cute with this hat. Like, yes, I'm feeling it together, but I would just have to be zipped up, y'all. So next time I know, order in a maybe a 6, yeah. Okay, so as you guys know, if you've seen my other videos, y'all know I love sweatpants, and you know, I was so excited when I saw, hold up. Maybe I did order these, I don't remember, but okay. These are some sweatpants, and they're in a size 4, and they just got PLT on this side, and they got PLT new season going down this side. And I'm just gonna try it on with this, you know, I know I'm probably gonna look a little crazy, but you know, whatever, I don't feel like putting on another shirt. So yeah, so these are the sweatpants, and they're just some regular sweatpants with a little white string. There's nothing on the back, as you can see, but they're really cute. I like them. It's got the little stuff going down the side. Really cute. I think they're cute, and definitely I think I'm gonna leave these on right now. So You guys, make sure, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see the latest of the new. But make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys will know when I post more videos. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, you guys, don't forget to what? Come back. Bye, y'all.